Walk with me into Charleston's soul, where cobblestones, steeples, and sweetgrass baskets tell stories centuries old. Today, we'll explore two of the city's treasures, the French Quarter, filled with history and art, and the Charleston City Market, where tradition and creativity thrive. The French Quarter is one of Charleston's oldest districts, bordered by Broad, Meeting, Market, and East Bay streets. Once part of the original walled city, it's now home to art galleries, historic churches, and beautifully restored buildings. Don't miss the Pink House Gallery, built around 1712, and now showcasing local art. The district's Gallery Row and events like the Gibbes Museum's Walk and Talk Charleston invite you to explore studios, meet artists, and see history through art. Every corner here whispers stories, pastel facades, wrought iron balconies, and church spires that paint Charleston's timeless skyline. Just a few blocks away lies Charleston City Market, stretching 4 blocks from Meeting Street toward the harbor. Built in the 1840s, it's the heart of local craftsmanship. Here you'll meet artisans weaving sweetgrass baskets, a Gullah tradition passed down through generations. Each basket is handmade from local marsh grasses, once used for rice winnowing and now prized as art. Beyond baskets, you'll find jewelry, paintings, leather goods, and authentic handmade in Charleston crafts that carry the city's spirit. Visit early to beat the crowds, or come at night for the weekend night market. Visiting both in one walk gives you the full Charleston experience: history and artistry in the French Quarter, community and culture in the market. It's where the past meets the present, and every artist, vendor, and street corner tells part of Charleston's living story. As the sun sets over cobblestones and steeples, you realize Charleston isn't just a place you visit. It's a feeling you carry with you. The French Quarter invites you to slow down and look closer. The city market reminds you that tradition lives on through hands and heart. So whether you're here for a day or a lifetime, these streets will welcome you back again and again. Thanks for walking with me through Charleston's heart and heritage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Charleston moment below. Until next time, keep exploring with wonder.